do some quick testing right here. Get everything set up right. Hopefully we can get some good numbers. This is the first test after reconfiguring my subs. After my last test, I figured that using Ohm's law, I figured with the power I was getting that the amp was shutting down, or it was going into protect at about 1.3 ohm load, which is probably where it's set at, is under overcurrent. Or, well, as your impedance falls, your current rises. It plays hand in hand, so your overcurrent protection would be affected by your impedance also. So 1.3 seemed to be the bottom of the limit there. So I reconfigured my subs to a 1 ohm load, which is about 1.3 or 1.4 at the amp, around that area. So they don't sound nearly as good, I don't think. I don't have to worry about them going to protect as much, but I don't know, I haven't pushed them hard yet. I got a 45 hertz tone, which seems to be where they're tuned at. Got the head unit here, and I'm using my Bluetooth receiver to do a burp here. We'll see what we can get. Maybe. Nope. Looks like it. Try again. Alright, first test. I don't know, I did talk enough in the last video. I didn't hurry up here. Let's see if this works. Two more notches on the volume. Oh, we're going up now. See what we're looking at there. Do some figuring, that ain't too bad. Too bad at all. Alright, power test. My last one I did, I got 762 watts or so. I'm trying another one. I forgot I had my EQs messed up on my music player. So we'll try another quick one here. Hopefully we got some big numbers. That wasn't as big as what I was looking for. Right, I got my car running. Yeah, I ain't got no voltage, that's probably why. Alright, so try again. There we go, that's better. I'm getting about to my max here. I think the rail voltage is about 65 or so. That's the highest I've ever gotten, 63 or 65. Go up notch. No, that may be about it. It's pretty loud. Oh, and I am using a different Bluetooth receiver also. My homemade one works pretty good. But I think it has a little bit too much gain on it. But I got me a monster here that seems to work pretty good also. So that makes a little bit of difference too. And I'm using a lot nicer phone. I'm using a G6, so I believe it's a G6, G8. I don't know. It's a nice one. But yeah, there's some good power. Figure that up.